Hi friends, my name is Harsh Maruti Garat and my topic is type of rolling mills. So let's begin. Aim of our micro projects are to study concepts of rolling, to study the different types of rolling, to study applications of rolling in real life and industrial life, to study about mechanical properties of rolling, and last to study that mechanical advantage and characteristics about rolling. What is rolling and rolling machines? The machine in which the rolling operation is performed is known as rolling machine. A set of rolls and housing in which they are mounted are known as stand. One method to classify the rolling mills is according to number of rolls in the working stand. There is 6 type of rolling mills: 2 high rolling mill, 3 high rolling mill, 4 high rolling mill, cluster mill, tandem rolling mill, and last one is a planetary rolling mill. First type of rolling mills is 2 high rolling mill. A 2 high rolling mill has 2 rolls only. A 2 high rolling mill further classified into two types: reversing mill and non-reversing mill. 2 high reversing mill. In 2 high reversing rolling mills, the roll rotate first in one direction and then in other, so that roll meter may pass back and forth through the rolls several times. This type is used in plumbing and slabbing mills and for rubbing work in plate, rail structure and other mills. Second type of 2 high rolling mill is 2 high non-reversing mill. In 2 high non-reversing mills, has two rolls which revolve continuously in same direction. Therefore, small and less costly motive power can be used. However, every time material is to be carried back over the top of the mill for again passing in through the rolls. Such an arrangement is used in mills through which the bar passes once in open drain plate mill. Second type is 3-eye rolling mill. 3-eye rolling mill consists of a roll stand with 3 parallel rolls, one above the other. Adjacent rolls rotate in opposite direction so that the material may be passed between the top and the middle roll in one direction and the bottom and middle rolls in opposite one. In 3-eye rolling mills, the workpiece is rolled on both the forward and return passes. First of all, the workpiece passes through the bottom and middle rolls and the returning between the middle and the top rolls. This is a diagram of 3-eye rolling mill. Next is 4-eye rolling mill. It has a roll stand with 4 parallel rolls, one above the other. The top and the bottom rolls rotate in opposite direction, as do the two middle rolls. The two middle rolls are smaller in size than the top and bottom rolls, which are called backup rolls, for providing the necessary rigidity to the smaller rolls. This is a diagram of 4-eye rolling mills. It has a 4 rolls. Next is tandem rolling mills. Tandem rolling mills is a set of 2 or 3 stands of rolls set in parallel alignment, so that a continuous pass may be made through each one successful which change the direction of material. This is a diagram of tandem rolling mill. Next type is clustered rolling mills. It is a special type of 4 high rolling mill in which each of the two working rolls is backed up by 2 or more larger backup rolls for rolling hard in material. It may be necessary to employ work rolls of a very small diameter but of considerable length. In such cases, adequate of working rolls can be obtained by using a cluster mill. This is a diagram of cluster rolling mills. The last type of rolling mills is planetary rolling mill. Planetary rolls consist of two heavy backing rolls which are surrounded by small diameter rolls mounted in cages. The strip is forced forward by serrated feed rolls and the fed to planetary rolls. The upper and lower cages of planetary rolls are geared together so that corresponding smaller upper and lower rolls are brought into contact with the metal in synonyms, so that each pair of rolls bites into the red hot metal along the arcs of contact and subsequently extend the strip. These are the some images of planetary rolling mills. Actual procedure followed. First one, we have decided to project name about manufacturing processes. Second, we decided to project name is type of rolling mills. We have studied the reference book of manufacturing processes. Next, we have contributed the money for this project. We have searched the various information about project in reference book about types of rolling mills. We have searched various information about project in reference book of manufacturing processes. Next one, we have create project part A. We have ready to create the project part B. Next, we have studied the types of rolling mills. And last, we have completed our project part B. Outputs of our micro project. We learn about rolling operations. We learn how thickness of metal is reduced in industries by using rolling machines. We learn how rollers can be used in our real life. And last, we learn working of various rolling machines. Skill developed by this micro project. Communication and interpersonal skills, decision making and problem solving, presentation skills, time management skills, leadership and management skill, industrial knowledge. References for our micro project. First, Book of Manufacturing Process and Technology. Second, www.wikipedia.com. And last, Book of Manufacturing Processes, author MS Mahajan. Thank you for watching our video.